Looking for a keyboard that can keep up with your gaming and work demands? The Corsair K68 RGB mechanical keyboard offers a blend of durability, performance, and style that's hard to beat. With vivid per-key RGB lighting and a tough design, it's built to last through intense gaming sessions and everyday use. The first thing you'll notice is the keyboard's impressive build quality. Featuring 100% Cherry MX key switches, it delivers reliable, tactile feedback that gamers and typists appreciate alike. These switches are known for their precision and durability, giving you a consistent experience whether you're gaming or typing emails. What really sets the K68 apart is its IP32 rating for water and dust resistance. That means it can handle accidental spills and dust without missing a beat. For anyone who's ever worried about a coffee mishap during a marathon gaming session, this feature offers real peace of mind. The Corsair Utility Engine, or Q software, lets you customize dynamic lighting effects and program game-changing macros. You can tailor the RGB lighting to match your setup or create specific profiles for different games. It's a subtle edge that enhances your gaming experience and personalizes your workspace. Dedicated volume and multimedia controls are another thoughtful addition. Adjust your audio on the fly without interrupting gameplay or switching windows. This convenience keeps you focused and in control, whether you're streaming music or coordinating with teammates. For uninterrupted gaming, the K68 includes a Windows key lock mode. This simple feature prevents accidental presses that could minimize your game or disrupt your flow. It's a small detail that makes a big difference during competitive play. Comfort hasn't been overlooked either. The removable wrist rest provides solid support for long sessions, reducing strain on your wrists. Whether you're grinding through work or gaming late into the night, this keyboard helps you stay comfortable. Users have praised the K68 for its versatility. One gamer and remote worker shared how the keyboard offers a satisfying typing feel for work tasks and lightning-fast response for FPS games. After nearly 9 months of heavy use, including a few coffee spills, the key coating still shows no signs of wear or flaking. While the RGB lighting impresses with its range of colors and effects, some users note that the brightness could be a bit stronger. In well-lit rooms, the backlighting can get washed out, especially at full office lighting. Still, this hasn't been a deal-breaker, especially since the keyboard syncs seamlessly with other Corsair RGB accessories through iCUE. At its price point, the Corsair K68 RGB offers excellent value. It's a solid choice for gamers who want a durable mechanical keyboard without breaking the bank. Plus, the added water and dust resistance means it can handle the occasional mishap without skipping a beat. If you're someone who switches between work and gaming, the K68's balance of comfort, responsiveness, and customization makes it a smart pick. You get a keyboard that's as versatile as your day demands, backed by reliable Cherry MX switches and thoughtful design features. Worth a look if you want a mechanical keyboard that combines style and substance. The Corsair K68 RGB doesn't just look good, it performs consistently and keeps up with whatever your day throws at it. Whether you're typing reports or taking down opponents, this keyboard has you covered. The dedicated media controls and Windows key lock mode are subtle but powerful tools that enhance your workflow and gaming focus. These features show Corsair's attention to detail, making the K68 more than just a flashy keyboard. It's a practical, user-friendly device. Customization through the Q software means you're not stuck with a one-size-fits-all setup. You can create lighting and macro profiles that fit your style and needs. This flexibility lets you optimize your keyboard for different games or work tasks, making every key press count. Durability is a key selling point here. With Cherry MX switches and an IP32 rating, the K68 is built to endure. You won't have to worry about wear or accidental spills derailing your performance. That reliability is crucial for anyone who demands consistency from their gear. If you want a keyboard that blends solid performance with practical features and eye-catching design, the Corsair K68 RGB is a strong contender. It offers what matters most: durability, comfort, and customization, all wrapped in a sleek package. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your setup without compromising on quality or breaking your budget. The Corsair K68 RGB mechanical keyboard delivers a dependable experience that supports both your work and play. In the end, the Corsair K68 RGB stands out as a versatile, durable keyboard that meets the needs of gamers and professionals alike. Its combination of Cherry MX switches, water resistance, and customizable lighting makes it a reliable choice for anyone looking to enhance their typing and gaming experience.